In the heart of the verdant forest, where the melody of nature sings in harmony with the rustling leaves and the chirping birds, emerges a dream. A dream home, nurtured from the ground up by a solitary builder. Today, we journey through this unique transformation of raw materials into a cozy abode, nestled amongst the serene whispers of the forest. Imagine, if you will, a blank canvas, a patch of untouched land in the wilderness. The first step, a labor of love, involves meticulously clearing the chosen site. Each swing of the axe, each shovel of earth, brings our builder one step closer to his dream. It's a dance between man and nature where respect for the environment is paramount. With the site now prepared, it's time to lay the foundations. Stone by stone, the base of this dream home starts to take shape. The process requires patience, precision, and a deep understanding of the terrain. It's not merely about constructing a home, it's about creating a harmonious living space that coexists with the forest. As the foundation solidifies, the walls begin to rise. Each log, each plank has its own story to tell. It's a symphony of wood and nails, where every piece fits together perfectly. The walls not only provide shelter, but also act as a canvas for the builder's creativity and craftsmanship. While the structure takes shape, the roof, the crown of this dream home, is carefully assembled. This phase is a testament to the builder's skill and determination. The roof is not just a protective layer against nature's elements, it's a symbol of safety and warmth. With the structure complete, the next step is to breathe life into the home. This involves installing the necessary amenities: a cozy fireplace, a functional kitchen, and a comfortable bedroom. It's a process of transformation where a mere structure morphs into a living, breathing home. Every nook and corner of this home is a testament to the builder's dedication and passion. From the handcrafted furniture to the uniquely designed interiors, each element echoes his vision of a perfect forest home. As the sun sets on this tranquil forest, a warm glow emanates from the heart of this dream home. The sound of crackling firewood, the aroma of a home-cooked meal, and the cozy ambiance of this forest abode completes the picture. Reflecting on the journey, it's not just about the physical labor or the skills required. It's about the pursuit of a dream, the relationship with nature, and the satisfaction of creating something with your own two hands. This dream home is not just a structure of wood and stone, it's a living testament to the builder's passion and perseverance. In the heart of the forest, amidst the symphony of nature, stands a dream realized. A dream home, built from scratch by a solitary builder. It's a testament to the power of a dream, the strength of will, and the beauty of nature.